Hello students, welcome to your math class. Today is Monday, October the 26th, 2020. And this week we are going to work with one study guide because you're going to have some final exams in November. So you're going to start studying since this week. What you're going to do is that you're going to copy the exercises that I have here and you're going to solve them to practice for you to practice at home for the exam. Okay, so let's start. After you finish with the date, please copy the date. You're going to write the title. The title is a study guide. Then you're going to start with the exercises. The first one, complete the following exercises. N is multiplication with caring. Write a product in each multiplication. So here I have 12 different multiplications. You're going to copy them in your notebook and you're going to solve them, of course. After that, please multiply each number by 5. You're going to use the 5 times table here. And you're going to write here inside the square the result. After you finish there, you're going to copy meaning of division. Use 2 and 3 as divisor. And here I have one clue. Don't forget to use the tables to help you. 3 times table and 2 times table. Copy please the divisions and solve them. And today the last exercise that you're going to work in is geometric shapes. Shape, name, sides, and vertices. You're going to write the name of this shape. Then the sides, how many sides does the shape has, and then the amount of vertices. What is the name, for example, of the first one? Triangle. How many sides does the triangle has? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many vertices does it have? 1, 2, 3. Remember that the vertices are these ones. This one is a vertex, this one is another vertex. And you're going to do the same with the rest of the shapes. That was everything for today's math class. Remember that tomorrow we're going to continue learning and working in our study guide for the exam. See you until next class. Please take care at home. I love you. Bye.